Hello guys, we today have a new toy that Ava, Emery's big sister, is gonna open. And Ava has blue teeth right now because she just got done eating a bunch of candy, didn't she? Alright, so she spent her allowance today and she got a Little Live Pets. And it's a secret songbird. So it gets to tell, you get to tell it all of your secrets and it supposedly keeps it, right? Ooh, and it includes a new secret key. That looks fun. Does that look fun, Emery?
Yeah.
Yeah? You think that Ava picked a good toy?
Yeah.
I kind of think so too. Alright, so let's open her up and let's see what's inside.
Yeah.
Alright, so we have our cute little birdie out and she is, oh, adorable. So she has a sensor on her back so you can pet her.
And we didn't put it in here.
So we have our little home for her, right? That we can put her in, which is super, super cute.
And you can lock it too.
So one thing we can do to this little birdie is we can tell him our secrets. So, this is like a parrot bird. It will say something back to us. So I believe we press its chest and then we're gonna say like a phrase or something. So Ava, do you wanna say something? Okay, so press her chest and say something into your little birdie.
Oh, little boy, you're so cute.
All right, now let's see if it recorded, if we did it correct.
Boy, you're so cute.
Oh, there it is. That little birdie, you're so cute, didn't it? Okay, now something super cool about her though is that you can tell her a secret. And we know that secrets are best kept with a key, right? Okay, so that phrase, anybody can click on them and they can hear the phrase that the little birdie says. But if we wanted to tell the little birdie a secret...
Who said so cute as me?
I know, right? If we want to tell the little birdie a secret, then we can use this key, okay?
Yeah.
So we're going to try that. So let me see him. So now Ava is going to tell the secret to the little birdie. So she's going to insert the key. Good. Now tell the little birdie a secret.
I love school.
Okay, now pull it
I
up.
love school.
There he goes.
My teeth
So now the little birdie has your secret and you can only hear it when you have the key. All right, do you guys want to put the little birdie in its little home?
Yeah.
Yes, it's got food and water, right? And then the little container so that the little birdie doesn't run away. Because nobody wants their birdie to run away. You put her in her little container? Or in her little cage?
Not cage. It's her home.
Yeah, it is her home, isn't it?
Got it. Ah.
You had her in there. Gotta put her little paws back in there. There she goes, and there she is. And now you can close it, right?
So how you close it is just shut.
Oh, she fell.
Oh. Oh dear.
Poor little birdie. Now close her up.
And then you just lock that.
There we go. Oh, she's so cute. So she's very fun. So you can say different phrases into her, right?
Uh-huh.
Oh, that is really fun. You guys want to get her out and say some different phrases into her and see what you
Yeah,
can get her to
I want
say?
to do it.
You can get her to say something funny. All right, Emery, what are you going to say into her?
Farts. Fart.
You're just going to say farts.
I love farts.
Oh, your little birdie likes farts.
Mine.
All right. The little birdie likes to be outside, doesn't she? Oh, she does. She's starting to sing. Do you think the birdie likes to be outside?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too.
I love farting.
You're going to teach your birdie to say I love farts all the time?
I love farts. You're not saying that.
There you go. Oh, you can hear me saying into it. Alright, so our little birdie is going to sleep out on the porch tonight so that she can get some fresh air and that she can enjoy all of the other birdies and maybe she'll even learn some of their songs as well. Wouldn't that be cool? Alright, good night little birdie. See you later. Make sure you keep our secrets.